So for lead sounds or sounds that I know are going to be played in a higher register, I very often choose to start with sine waves because I don't really like to start with this kind of super saw sound. So instead, let's just use 2 sine waves here as a starting point, and then just pitch one up 1 octave, give it quite a few voices, the other one as well, and then when we have this as a starting point. And from that on, we can just start using distortion to shape it a bit more. Obviously, this is a bit too aggressive, so what we're going to use is an equalizer afterwards, and I'm going to cut the highs and the lows, and with this we can control how much we want to have the sound in the front or if we want to push it more in the back. After this we can use some multiband compression, which is again gonna push the highs a bit more, but you can also tame this again and adjust this with equalizer settings here or just place an equalizer afterwards as well. And from that on, it's just about using a reverb that's again gonna push the sound a bit further back. And if I had to use the Serum internal ones, I would probably use the Hall here or the Convolver. Let's also set this to mono and make sure that we have a bit of glide enabled here. Now let's draw in some MIDI notes. Have this pitch from 1 octave. And then back down at the end here. And we can also duplicate this. Let's just group this together right away and then make a lower layer here. So let's just get rid of the reverb for that one and just pitch all of these down 1 octave again and reduce the voices here a bit. And we can also add a sub. Let's get rid of this here and cut more of the highs instead. And we don't need to have them both play the same thing. You can also try how this sounds with just the lower F here. You can also do some processing on the group. So just a real quick EQ and limiter. And then let's just use a reverb on the group as well to glue things together, just with a rather low mix. Personally, I would just use a different reverb. I would probably just use a separate reverb on the higher synth here. And again, with the reverb and the equalizer here, you can just control how much you want the sound to be in the front or more in the back. Hit or a boom, just for the additional attack here. So I hope this gives you a quick starting point for your own experimentation, and see you in the next one.